In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download fonts into Adobe Illustrator step by step. If you've ever downloaded a font and couldn't find it inside Illustrator, or you weren't sure how to install it properly on Windows, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, your new font will be fully installed and ready to use in Illustrator. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is downloading the font. You'll want to make sure you're getting your font from a trusted website. There are many popular font websites online that offer both free and premium fonts. When you download a font, it will usually come in one of two file formats, either a .ttf file, which stands for TrueType font, or an OTF file, which stands for OpenType font. Both of these formats work perfectly with Adobe Illustrator, so you don't need to worry about compatibility. Once you find a font you like, click the download button. In most cases, the font will download as a zip file. If that happens, navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and select Extract All. After extracting, open the new folder and you should see your font file inside, either ending in .ttf or .otf. That's the file we're going to install. Now let's move on to installing the font on Windows. This part is very simple. Locate the .ttf or .otf font file you just extracted. Right-click directly on the font file and you'll see an option that says Install. Go ahead and click Install. Windows will automatically add the font to your system's font library. The installation usually only takes a second or two. If you want to double-check that the font installed correctly, you can open your Windows search bar, type Fonts, and open the Font Settings panel. From there, you can scroll through the list or search for the name of the font you just installed. If you see it there, that means it's successfully installed on your computer. Now for the final step, restarting Adobe Illustrator. If Illustrator was open while you installed the font, it won't automatically appear in the font list. So make sure you completely close Adobe Illustrator first. Don't just minimize it, fully exit the program. Once Illustrator is closed, reopen it. Open any document, select the Type tool, and click on the Font drop-down menu in the top toolbar or Character panel. You can either scroll through the list or type the name of your newly installed font into the search bar. You should now see your font available and ready to use. If you still don't see the font, double-check that it was installed correctly in Windows and then restart Illustrator one more time. In rare cases, restarting your computer can also help refresh the system font cache. And that's it. That's exactly how to download and install fonts into Adobe Illustrator on Windows. It's a quick process once you know the steps. Download the font from a trusted source, extract the file if needed, right-click and install, and then restart Illustrator so the font appears in your list. Being able to install new fonts opens up a huge range of creative possibilities for your designs, whether you're creating logos, social media graphics, posters, or branding projects. The right typography can completely transform your work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.